How do I deactivate Messenger without deactivating my Facebook account?
Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we will tackle an often asked question. How do I deactivate Messenger without deactivating my Facebook account? If you want to take a break from Messenger but keep your Facebook profile active, you're in the right place.
What does deactivating Messenger mean?
Deactivating Messenger means that you will temporarily stop using Messenger. You will not appear active on Messenger and won't be able to send or receive messages. However, your old conversations will remain intact, and you can still see messages, but you won't be able to reply or initiate new conversations.
How do I deactivate Messenger?
Now, let's get into the actual steps. Here's how to deactivate Messenger. 1. Open Messenger on your phone. 2. Tap on your profile picture in the upper left corner. 3. Scroll down and tap on Legal and Policies. 4. Then tap on Deactivate Messenger. 5. Finally, enter your password and tap on Continue to confirm. By following these steps, you will successfully deactivate Messenger while your Facebook account remains active.
Can I reactivate Messenger?
Yes, if you decide that you want to start using Messenger again, it's quite easy to reactivate. To do this, all you need to do is to log in with your username and password. As soon as you log in, your Messenger is automatically reactivated. That's it. Now you know how to deactivate Messenger without deactivating your Facebook account. Remember, your messages aren't lost, they're just on hold until you decide to reactivate Messenger. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy socializing on Facebook.